How can you improve your communications in Microsoft Teams and make it easier for team members to see your messages? Try @mentions. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to work with @mentions in Microsoft Teams. You're likely familiar with @mentions within social media platforms. This is the technique where you first type the @ and then the name of the person you want to call attention to in your post. In Teams, when you want to bring someone's attention to a conversation, it works the same way. For this conversation, I can type an @ and then all of the members of this particular team will be displayed, and I can select them from the list. Your options for @mentions are @person, @channel, and @team. So instead, if I wanted to mention the channel, this would be @design. And notice how Teams will show you any channel or person that would match those characters. An @mention will call attention to those people and it will show up in their activities. So let's look at what happens when you have @mentions. Here I'm in Lydia's profile. We can see, first of all, that she has some new activity. Notice the design channel, which is where those @mentions took place, is not only bold, but we also see this indicator as well that we have new activity. And so there's several ways to be able to find this. One would be to simply go to the activity, and you can see recent @mentions for Lydia specifically, as well as the design channel because she's part of this team. When you use @mentions, this creates a more focused conversation and also can help your conversations to be more easily found and for you to get more immediate replies. Notice the icons as well to the right-hand side of these conversations, specifically where you were mentioned or where the channel was mentioned. We also see specific indicators when an entire team is mentioned. In this quick tip, you've seen how easy it is to save time by using @mentions in your team's conversations. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Teams, head to thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.